All right, welcome back. This is another episode of Jarrett torturing himself for your views and your entertainment. We've done this in Iowa, we've done it in Belgium, and I have come all the way to Poland to get absolutely wrecked and for you to laugh about it. We're on Mayan, Energylandia, Vekoma SLC. It's got the new trains. Zero to Mitov, whatever that means, is a right sponsor. Oh God. Park is full of weird, random one-off. Whatever that means, let's go. Oh no, oh no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, oh, whoa, whoa, okay. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, no, no, no. Oh, whoa, okay. Ah, oh, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh God, it's shaking. It's, oh, oh, whoa. Okay, okay. Whoa. Okay, oh, whoa. That was actually good and whippy. Okay, this ain't too bad. That might be the best SLC. A little chaotic, a little, you know, fear for my well-being, but I enjoyed it, and it didn't hurt at all. I might almost rewrite that.